Hi, my name is Łukasz Niedośpiał and I will have a pleasure of showing you how easy it is to create a function with Higson. Let's get into it. To create a function, we need to click on Add Function in the Functions panel. The first step of creation is naming our function accordingly to our need. In our case, it will be premium calculation. To proceed, we need to click on the next button, which will lead us to the definition. Definition is the place when we can add description of our function, if needed, or we can pick from the existing list the tag that we want to connect to our function. Mind that whole step number 2 is optional, so we can skip it by clicking on the Save Function button. After saving this basic setting, we will see the rich text editor on the right side of the screen. This is the place where we will write our logic. And to access it, we need to click on the Edit button over here. Now, I will write our function. I will start with defining the formula that we want to calculate, how the premium is calculated in our company. So what I need to do is to define this recipe for premium. So I will define it. Premium equals, in our case, very simple mathematical equation. So it will be 100,000 plus some limit 1. Then I want to divide this result by 1000 and maybe multiply it by some kind of factor. We are done with the recipe for our premium, but we need to take into the consideration that Higson is just a tool. So we need to define what those not numerical values are to make this calculation be completed. So I need to define what the factor is. And in our case, the factor is the result of the decision table. I will copy the name of it. And because it is this result of the decision table, I will use the command that will point Higson to right direction. So I will tell Higson, get me a number. And I will paste the right decision table. And from the definition that popped out just a few seconds ago, I know that I will need to add some kind of context at the end. Then I want to define what the limit 1 is also to make it this calculation ready to execute. So the limit 1 will be ctx, get me a number, get number, and now I will provide the place where those limits reside. So it will be limit 1. So I prepared all the data for this premium to be executed, to be calculated. Now I will need to add one more command for Higson to perform this and execute this function. So I will have to write return, which is the return value for me. But I don't want the complete result. I want it to be narrowed down only to the second point of the decimal. So what I need to add, I will need to add another command, which is math round premium, because I want the premium to be round down to the second point of the decimal. And to be honest, that's the end of our function. Now we can save the changes and we can proceed to the testing to see if our function works correctly. That would be all from my side for today. Thank you for your attention, and I invite you to the next session. Bye.